Cuckoo.
No, let's look at it.
This is final cancel.
Finish my case.
Yeah, well done. My name is Prince Wayne Chikeze Elijah Esquire.
Can you give us details of what transpired in the court as regards to Willow's case?
Well, the matter was for trial. As we all know, the case has been in public domain, and today the defendant was in court. The prosecution and the defense team were all in court. So the court called the case, and parties informed the court that we are ready for the case. However, the judge, in a most unlike of events, decided to state to the court that she will be recusing herself from this case and will be sending the file to the Honorable, the Chief Judge, for reassignment of this case. And it was a most, unexpected event, as to the best of my knowledge, there was no formal application, So it is presumed that the court suo motu, decided to adjourn and send the file back to the Honorable, the Chief Judge. And this only happens when there's any form or likelihood of, the integrity of the judicial process being painted in a bad light. And this is the reason why most times the court would, on their own sole volition, decide to send back the file just to preserve public confidence and integrity, especially with the fact that there have been a lot of social media ranting and dragging and name calling. So yes, it is even though it's surprising, it is not also too surprising to we the lawyers, because this is actually the judicial process when things like this happen, within a case or a matter that is pending in court.
Has the judge been dragged in this matter?
Well, I can't say because I'm not. I don't have residual knowledge as to whether or not the judge is being dragged. But then this is mostly common when there's any presumption that probably there might be a relationship between the biasness of the judge and the case. Do you understand? So most times this is what happens. But then the matter has been adjourned to the 19th day of May 2026 for mention. Wayne Chikeze Elijah. Thank you.